Updating your legal name on Perimeter 81 is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Perimeter 81 account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your current username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Profile Settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select Name Update option. In the profile settings, look for the option to update your name. This may be labeled as Edit Name or Change Legal Name. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter your new legal name. Input your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that you enter your name accurately to avoid any issues with the update. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering your new name, save the changes. You may need to confirm the update via email or a notification prompt. Check your email for any confirmation messages from Perimeter 81. Once you've completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in the system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.